Alrighty. Well, doing some alternator work over here and some carburetor work. I've pretty much completely taken apart this carburetor. Let me see if I can shed some light on this. There we go. Yep, I've pretty much taken apart this carburetor. I've unscrewed both of those screws so they're loose. This one is completely apart and clean. All that white stuff is just baking soda residue from where I cleaned it. And I'm just doing some alternator work here. Here's my motor. Going together slowly. I think you guys have seen this thing before. But in case you haven't, let me go ahead and shed some light on my engine. Got some heat pumping in here. Here's my motor. Now this right here is the oil pressure switch, which I've put on the line, grease fitting line, to show oil pressure. Now the reason I've done this is because I'll end up putting this in a bag or something with the electrical connector coming off with the wire. That way if this switch ever goes bad, it won't blow up on the engine. And it won't get oil all over my motor. It'll keep my motor nice and clean. So, there's that. There's my engine. 40 over pistons. 140. Modified. Somewhat. So that's what I got going on for tonight. Nothing else new really. Just a Mustang and that's about it. Got some heat. Impact gun. Tools and all that good stuff. So, been going through a lot of stuff lately. Undecisive is what I am. Undecisive. I guess I have to grow up someday and make my own decisions, which is very hard to do because I hate making the wrong decision. I absolutely hate it. I guess one day soon I'm just gonna have to man up and make a decision. I'm eventually gonna have to finally make a decision. But I don't know what that is. I don't know what the right decision is. But I can't make a decision unless I know it's the right one. And for whoever's out there that I'm hurting, I'm sorry. I am. Lord help us all. There's my motor. So, decisions. Anyways, here's my Corvair. The Corvair engine. And thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.